Yo, it's been a long journey. Yeah, it's my cousin. I mean, his name. So what? Nah, man, no one wants to see. Oh. So cool. Look here, you guys probably saw my dog in one of the videos. Look here. Nah, the lighting is better. You're gonna think you mal. Don't turn so show she's here. Look at my baba. If you don't know. So what if I just does this gives it much more light? Oh no. There the thing is working now and I can see. Now you can see the yeah. I'm gonna jump. I'm not gonna jump. Oh ma. No, this is what we're dealing with. I didn't turn. He never wanted to be in the videos. I told you guys. I was told I pimp. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do videos recently because we're going on holiday. Oh la, we're leaving next week Monday. I can't tell you where and don't even try to choose me.
Chinese, bro. Chinese.
You showing middle finger in Chinese.
What about this one?
Choose one. Anyways. And this one I'll give you a clap. Yeah, I'm by my daddy's house.
You need my uncle's house.
My daddy's house anyway. Oh no. This is what I have to deal with 24/7. Remember when I did?
You're not even here.
24. Yeah. 24/7 is a day, you know. Don't you even try to jump on sparkles. Not mine. Try.
You dirty.
Oh yeah, I got my braids. You guys didn't see. I got gold. Remember I got it longer? Here's my old pajamas. I slept in Seattle. I slept in that other stuff, but there's pajamas in. So my others. Sure, they live close here for me. You guys see my braids? It's short.
You guys see my feet?
Anyways, I just want to tell you guys. I might be posting. Go start with my other account, okay? My other account. Araya.